Today I will be showing you how to use the homework help option on the Tennessee Electronic Library. Once you get to the home page, you're going to hit homework help. Then you're going to either search or choose your level. So I'm going to do high school. I'm going to hit use this resource. I'm going to get to Gale. I can either search a specific topic or I can scroll down and choose one. I'm going to choose literature and the arts. Then I'm going to either search for a specific topic again or scroll down and choose one. I see that Beowulf is right here, so I'm going to choose that. Once I get to my topic, I'm going to hit read more. And it gives you everything you need to know about the topic, adds critical thinking questions. Now I'm going to show you how to highlight and note on your article. So if I wanted to remember that Hrothgar is the king of Denmark, then I can highlight it with my mouse. And I can choose my color. I'll do purple, and I can also add a note. Save, and it's going to stay there the whole time you're on the page. And if I wanted to do one about Beowulf, I'll do this one. Click a different color. You can color code your topics if you want. And add a Beowulf. And you don't have to do a note if you don't want to. And then I'm going to scroll right back up and hit my highlights and notes. And it will show the color I did it, what part of the text I highlighted, and the notes. If I click on that, it will bring me straight to it. Hrothgar is the king of Denmark. To get back to the normal library, you're going to hit library menu and library website. And there you are.